I've got all the ingredients for a special taco dinner.
Awesome. Mom will be so surprised. What did you buy?
Well, we were out of lettuce, avocado, sour cream, cheese, tomatoes, and onions. The rest is in the kitchen.
Okay. I'm a bit anxious. It's the first time we cooked something together.
Don't worry, my best friend taught me how to do it, and I'll teach you too.
Great. I'll slice the veggies and grate the cheese.
I'll season and cook the meat. Remember to preheat the oven.
Preheat the oven? Why?
Because I bought a box of taco shells, there is no way I'm making them.
Smart move, sister.
What job does James have in the preparation?